Hello YouTube. Today we're at the Dixon project. Let me show you what is taking place. So the place is a bit muddy on account of it been raining on and off since yesterday. But we're laying some blocks today for the back porch.
Comes to the process. I have to show them the process. Alright, so this is the mortar. So we mix up the mortar. We're applying all the mortar on the top part of the blocks, right? Now there's a correct way to always start to lay the block, meaning which top is and where's the bottom or the lower part, right? So pretty much it's just like a cake, right? After you mix it, right? Ensure it is not too hard, not too soft, right? The American standard is soft like this, the easier it is to run, to do the running apply. It's called the running apply, meaning from you put it down, you can just wipe it along, right? So this is perfect, see that? Right. So what we do, we just make a scoop out of it, or like a slice. So like that, see that? Then one. That's it. Now you apply it. That's how you apply it. So in this process, it's going to come a part where you have to use your back arm. It's called back arm. So like that, right? Normally the front arm is where you use this one and you apply it just like that, right? No problem. You have a little bit extra there. So along the black areas, all the black areas, you put in this. The more you put, then the better it is for the block to hold. Right, so like here, you put it in. And here's no test for speed, actually. Leave that to the professional persons. Like you starting, you know, start with your speed, get it right. Understand? They are doing it every day, so they have the experience. Likewise myself. I've learned this from I was 16 years old. My grandfather taught me it. His name is Herman Fender, popular builder in Jamaica, most persons know. So now we're going to lay the first set of blocks, right? All you need a level. Now this is a column coming up here. We're not adjusting a column yet, just here. So you need a level and you need a block. So we're laying 8-inch blocks. Now there are two sides. This is the top portion. This is the portion that you lay, right? You'll see a distinct difference. Down here is much broader, right? So we lay this one, turn this one to the top. So we'll go. And let us start right here. First we're going to lay a half one. There's a half one there that needs to be laid. So we're coming to the column, there's a full block right here, right? And a full block you put a half. That's how it works. So we just break in one of the blocks to get it. Right, so we know we have a half a block and we'll lay it right here. Remember, look on the block. This is a full block. You see that? So you have a full block covering the half right here. Now above it, we put a half one again. This block was a bit dirty sitting in the dirt. So don't squeeze the block down just yet. Right? After you put the block down, there are three things you have to do. You have to make sure that the block is in line with the other block. Right? So I just take it off. So how I do it is this. On this shovel, you put the shovel flat on this one, above coming up, and you carry the block to it. Put it again flat, adjust the block to it, so no space should be left. Nowhere. It's supposed to run flat even. Right? See how that look? So now the process still not finished. What we're going to do now is ensure that the top of the block has nothing on it. You get your level, put it on it, whatever size level you have, short, long, whatever it is. Now look where if you look keenly, you can see the watermark, or should we call it the center watermark. It's not there. If you're not sure where it is, tilt the level different directions and you get it to see come. Right. So what you're going to do is carry it down this side. Right. So go about right there and we'll get the lever from it. Just about there. So we'll apply some more. Because what we realize, this side down here is a bit higher. So what we do, we apply more. Right? So now we go again. And we check and adjust using this. Good. Now we'll put back the level. And you see it's almost at the center. So we're going to basically give it a little small tap. One more. Another. And now we're dead center. But even though we finished doing that, the process is still not done yet.